Hi, in today's video you're going to learn about a strategy you can use to trade against spikes. So this strategy has got an accuracy of above 90%, and after watching this video you are free to try it in your real account directory. So with this strategy you'll be able to scalp 5 to 8 candles without having to worry about spikes. So before I explain to you how you can use this strategy on how it works, let me first explain to you the indicators I'm currently using and its parameters. So on this chart, as you can see, we've got two windows, the main chart and the indicator window one. So when you come to the main window, we've got two indicators, the first one being the Ichimoku Kinko Hayo, and these are the parameters. Then the styles, remember that the Tekken Sen and the Kinju Sen should be blue with the pixels of your choice. Then the rest styles should be white because the chart background is white. If your chart background is black, let them be black as well. And the second indicator is the same one, being the Ichimoku Kinko Hayo, this time with the different parameters of 7, 7 and 52. And remember to take this to fill. Then here the color should be black, same as this, then the rest white. So we are done with the main window. Then the indicator window 1, we have got the relative strength index with a period of 1 being applied to close, and these are its levels. From there we've got the moving average with a period of 7, shift 0, method simple, being applied to close, and this is the star of red. Okay, so now how do you use this strategy? How do you use these indicators to scalp 5 to 8 candles without having to worry about spikes and drops? But before I show you that, remember that use this strategy only on boom 1000 and crash 1000. Don't use it on boom 500 and crash 500. So the first thing you have to do, of course, is to wait for this the moving average to hit the 88 level. So let me just okay, so that's what you have to wait for. So wait for the moving average to hit that level. Second, first of all, you have to zoom in. So maybe you might be wondering which one is the best zoom level. So the more you zoom out, the better, but when you zoom out completely, the chart will stop looking good. But for now I'm going to zoom in a little bit, okay, so that we can get to see clearly. So this is the first confirmation. Wait for the moving average to hit this top level. The second confirmation you have to wait for is the black Ichimoku Kinko Hayo. Wait for it crosses the candles. So when it does that, you simply enter in a trade of selling. So that's your entry point. What about the exit? So when do you exit? So to exit, simply wait for the blue Ichimoku Kinko Hayo to cross the black Ichimoku Kinko Hayo, being this one over here. Okay, so let me just count these candles. How many are they? So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is 8 candles, and this 8 candles, depending on what roll size you're using, they should be able to give you at least $1 or 2 or so. Okay, so to confirm this if it's really working, I did enter a trade before making this video. So let me just try to show you. So this is boom 1000. What about crash 1000? So it's actually similar. So I'm going to go to crash 1000. Okay, so it's just similar. So the first confirmation you have to wait for is wait for this moving average to hit that level over there. The second confirmation you have to wait for is the black Ichimoku Kinko Hayo to cross the candles. So there you enter in a trade of buying, you place your buy. And when do you exit? So to exit, you simply wait for the blue Ichimoku Kinko Hayo to cross the black Ichimoku Kinko Hayo, being this point over here. So let me try to zoom in and count the candles. So these are about 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, like 8 or 9 candles. Okay, so this strategy really works out, and you are free to try it out in a real account straight without having to worry about spikes and drops. Okay, you can back test it, you can check it out. The other way you have to follow is make sure that you follow what I've talked about. Don't enter a trade when the moving average is on 50. Okay, so you have to make sure that all these conditions are met. So if you learned something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. And by the way, I am currently offering boom and crash signals. If you're interested in boom and crash signals, the link will be in the description, where you can subscribe to and get access to my signals.